Hey guys, it's Coach Chloe here. I'm here today joined by my sister, Hannah, and my dog might make an appearance in a second. Yep, he's here. Today we're going to be doing some different gymnastics, like poses you can do with your siblings to try to challenge your balance and yourself. And we're also going to be doing some maybe partner handstand work, so you can practice holding your handstands statically and not be moving around. I want you guys to make sure you have a nice open area, your parents know what you guys are doing, and that you have some kind of mat or soft surface, like we're surrounded by couches and a soft carpet, so it should be good. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're first going to start stretching. My sister and I are doing some straddles and doing some pikes and bridges. As you can see, my sister's not very flexible, but we want to still get warmed up and work on that flexibility. If you want more of a warm-up video, you can go watch Coach Caitlin or Coach Carmen's videos, but for now we're just going to do a little bit of stretching just to warm up our body. Okay, so the first position we're going to do is called bunk beds. Here your goal is to have a nice tight body for both people, so you're going to start with your hands on their ankles. Partner's arms are going to be locked out straight, and you're going to kick your feet into her hands, and the goal is to hold your body in a nice plank position, squeezing your butt, and then you dismount, straddling, and landing. Okay, next we have another form of like the bunk bed position. Here you're going to start with the person on the bottom in a nice plank position, squeezing her body very tight. The next person is going to put their feet on her shoulders, and their shins are going to be resting on her back, holding a nice plank position. I think this next position is called like boat pose, but what you're going to do is you're going to start both of you sitting on the ground. You guys are going to put your feet together and straighten your legs out. I'm more flexible than my sister, as you can see, so I was able to compensate for her unflexibility, but you're going to try to grab each other's hand and hold each other up when you're doing it. And reaching for that last hand and squeezing tall and tight backs and straight legs. Next, we're going to do some handstand work. So you're going to start in your nice tight lunge. Your partner's going to catch your legs at the top, put you into the right position with a straight body, head in balance, hips stacked over your shoulders, and then your partner is going to let go and hot potato spot. So she's going to try to keep you in the same spot, but she's not going to be holding you. So your goal is to shift your wrists, and then you can kick out whenever you need. Now here's an alternative if you can't get into your handstand by yourself. So you're going to put your feet on your partner's shoulders, and then she can help push you into that handstand position and hold you straight up until you are ready to split, and just let her know and come down with your arms by your ears into your nice lunge. So next we're going to do this stacked tabletop thing. So first the partner on the bottom is going to get into a nice tabletop position. Then the partner is going to sit on her knees and try to push up to her own tabletop position. The bottom person has to stay very stable because it easily collapses. So next we're going to do this box thing. So your partner is going to start in a nice seated L at the bottom. The other partner is going to put her hands by her ankles, and then the other partner is going to grab her ankles and push tall. You want to make sure your hips are stacked over your arms and your shoulder. Okay, for this pose, your first partner is going to start in a downward dog on the mat, making sure you're in a nice triangle position and close enough to your partner where they can put your feet on your butt. So now she's going to put your feet on your hips or the back on your lower back, and having nice stacked body line in a nice L shape. Now this one is a little bit more fun. You can make a little bit more conditioning out of it. So your goal is to do a squat with your partner in a nice 90-degree platform. And this one you can do a couple sitting down and trying to stand up together to make it more challenging and a little bit more fun. As you can see, we did about 2 or 3. Okay. I don't think I can hold you. You can't. you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you had fun and some good laughs with your siblings. I hope to see you guys all soon at the cave. Thank you.